Hey folks, Sean Wieda here with Wiedas Marine, and we're checking out one of the first 2019s in the country. We've got a beautiful Skeeter ZX250. Check out this new color for 2019. We've got a beautiful Midnight Star, sterling silver, white gel. I have a feeling that this is going to be probably one of the most popular colors for 2019. What's even cooler is you got a little bit of the digital logo in the seats from the LEs from last year, but you know, just to do a quick walk around, really highlight the colors on this boat. Beautiful, beautiful colors. All right, so folks, if you haven't ever looked at one of our videos, if you're not real familiar with Skeeter, this is the standard ZX package, okay? One of the best price point boats in the industry. We're gonna come standard with one power pole blade, 250 SHO. Comes standard with a 12-inch fixed jack plate. Got a 4-bank Minnkota charger. This boat's not rigged yet, is why we leave these loose in case somebody wants to install talons or they want to install hydraulic jack plate. That's why the boat's not rigged. But new for 2019, I think this is probably one of the best electronic packages. You're going to get a 12-inch helix up here. This is a side imaging, mega down imaging. It's Lake Master map capable, and Skeeter for new for 19 has got their own dash mount here. This is really cool for a factory boat. This is going to give you some custom rigging type mounts in a standard factory package. Now, folks, at Wiedas Marine, everything is custom. If you do not want the Hummingbirds, we can install Lowrances. If you do not want the power poles, we can install talons. If you want a hydraulic jack plate, we can install it. Anything that you want done to your boat, okay, you can get it your way here at Wiedas Marine. But most folks are going to take advantage of this price point package that comes with the Helix 12. On the front, we're going to have a Helix 9, and you can see that we've got a really cool raised bracket here. Puts the graph really up high and in your field of vision. Here we've got the Minnkota Ultrex, which is an option on the ZX, but you're going to have these on most of the ZXs that we upgrade to. Last year we introduced the Team Advantage layout. It's a little bit of an unconventional layout, but I'm going to hop up in there real quick and we'll get a view of what's going on the front deck. So once we're on board the 2019 ZX250, we're going to check out the Team Advantage deck. And one of the coolest things is we got two day boxes. Now these day boxes, folks, you've heard me talk a lot about them. This is a very simple thing, but I make a big deal about it because this is really nice for the tournament fishermen. A lot of your things that you are going to have to reach for, I'm going to keep one of these with my dip dies, my hook sharpener. You have slots here for spinner baits, all your go-to baits, okay? If you got a pack of scumpernong worms that's hot and that's all you're going to use all day, you can lay those in there the night before. You can organize your boat to where you're ready to use everything in this day box the day of the tournament, okay? And we've got two of those here, which makes it really nice. One thing that Skeeter does nice too is we got a nice step up to the front deck. And unlike some other boats, that step doesn't get in the way when I want to sit here. And when I open up this compartment, this is going to reveal the large, what they call mega rod tube rod storage, all right? You can put tons of rods in here, but a lot of folks are also going to use this for a tackle compartment. That's one of the misconceptions that came out with this Team Advantage layout last year. And people are like, there's rods in the middle. You don't have to put your rods in the middle. Okay, and I'm going to show you that in a minute how you can rearrange it. But a lot of folks will still put tackle underneath the rods. Very customizable layout. One thing Skeeter does different than some other companies, they put foam underneath their lids. What's that foam do? That foam does two things. Number one, when you're walking around on that deck, that insulates the noise. Shallow water fishermen, that's very important. Second thing it does is eliminates condensation. All aluminum lids will get condensation on them. That keeps the condensation from building up. The foam pokes into this lip here on the metal aluminum deck. Really makes for a nice tight seal and keeps all those rods and tackle and everything that you're going to put in there nice and dry. So in here we still got the hot foot and some of the rigging materials, but it gives you a good idea. You've got Plano boxes here that you can put tackle in, but some folks, I want you to note, you still have a mega rod tube up in there. So some folks, let's say they have to have a conventional rod locker, you don't like them in the middle, you can take this out, take this tackle, you know, deal out, and you can go ahead and put your rods in there, okay? We flip around and we go over here onto the other side. You're gonna see a similar situation. You're gonna have Plano boxes. Again, they're right here. You can put your go-to stuff in here, okay? You've got room for, I believe, well, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You put 6 right there. That's probably going to be, again, where a lot of your game day stuff is going to go. And we have more storage in here. There's your graph covers, but obviously you can, you know, put whatever you would like in there. Working our way to the back. One thing about a Skeeter, you sit up higher than a lot of other competitors' boats. Sitting up high is a very good situation. Allows you to see, survey, running in timbered waters. Anywhere that you're, even in rough water, you're up high where you can read the waves better, okay? A lot of boats, you sit on the floor. On a Skeeter, you sit on top of the mountain, and that's a good thing. This new Helix 12 that's coming standard, it's right here at the tip of my fingers with this mount. Skeeter's done a good job on it. Got black steering wheel here, matches a lot of these color schemes. It's really matte. Down here, you have a retractable fish ruler that pulls out, plier holders, and there's a good shot of that step again. Give us a shout at Wiedas Marine, 859-647 boat.